Today's podcast is brought to you by Bandzoogle. I want to share this email right now that I received today from Ankia. Shout out to you. Major shout out to you. So, just wanted to reach out to say thank you for your videos and for spreading and sharing the high vibes and knowledge. It's greatly appreciated. I've been DJing for a while now and often fall into a space of complacency. But when I watch your videos, especially your Q&A vids, it gets me out of my funk and always motivates me. So thank you. Thank you. I taught myself how to DJ years ago, before YouTube even existed. I never had a mentor or someone I can ask questions or seek advice from. I've just discovered your channel and I feel like it's the closest thing that I've had to a mentor. Haha. Thanks again. You are appreciated. Now, first off, you are appreciated for sending me that email. And in no way am I reading this email out loud to pat myself on the back. This is not about giving myself props at all. I receive a lot of these emails and I hardly ever read them during Q&A videos or during the podcast because I don't want to seem pretentious or like I'm trying to pat myself on the back. I'm reading this one out loud right now because I receive a lot of emails like this, and I want to send this message back to all of you who send me messages like this, that it is greatly appreciated on this side. It truly is. And I've stated this before. Messages like these are my fuel. This is what keeps me motivated. One of the things that keeps me motivated to do this, what I'm doing right here, the podcast, my YouTube channel. It's an amazing feeling to know that you could positively contribute to someone's life, a small portion of their life, being their DJ career or just being able to help them develop their skills. That's amazing. And I have to thank, or we have to thank, technology for that. I'm going to talk about technology more in this episode. But yeah, like I said, this is my fuel. I love hearing stories like this. And over the years, I've received so many messages similar to this one, or even when you guys send me questions, a lot of times those questions start with a little thank you. And to me, that's, like I said, it's an amazing feeling. And you make me realize that this part of my life, or part of my DJ career, because this is sort of part of my DJ career in a way. It stems from my DJ career. If it wasn't for my 25 years of experience, I wouldn't be doing this channel and podcast. This probably means more to me than my years of DJing, because I feel I've contributed more to the DJ community and to you by doing this than all the parties that I played. So this is a great way to continue from where I've been. I've played a lot of parties and I'll continue to DJ, but this has more impact. And I feel this is a more important part of my life right now, because this allows me to leave a certain legacy and something to look back at later, and this is going to put a smile on my face in the long run. It already does, but I know for a fact that when I look back later, it's going to be lovely to see probably some of you being major names out there, because I've received a lot of emails from people that told me that they started to learn how to DJ because they saw one of my videos, and now they're playing their first gigs, or not even playing their first gigs. They've moved past that and now they have residencies and are doing all sorts of stuff. And being able to do that is way doper than doing a dope gig somewhere. And trust me, I love doing dope gigs, but it can't beat that feeling ever. So yeah, greatly appreciated. That goes both ways, 100%. Bandzoogle makes it easy to build a stunning website for your music in minutes. You can choose from hundreds of mobile-friendly themes and then customize your design and content in a few clicks with Bandzoogle's easy visual editor. Now, all the features you need for a professional website are already built in, including tools to sell your music and merch commission-free, mailing list tools to grow your fan list and send newsletters, and integration to pull in content from all your online services, including Twitter, Instagram, and SoundCloud. I use Bandzoogle to create the Share the Knowledge podcast website, and that was very easy. Bandzoogle plans start at just $8.29 a month and include your own free custom domain name. Now, if you want to try it out for free for 30 days, click on the link in the description box down below and be sure to use the promo code SHARE to get 15% off the first year of your subscription.